All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a really nice tool to get these out, inner tie rod ends. All right, so I've been waiting for one of these to come in for a while and not forget it to grab one. Inner tie rod end tools. So Josh did an inner tie rod end tool and he used my tool. I'm sure you guys have seen the little ones with the little forks and the adapters and all that always fall out, and you're trying to get them on and over and all that. They suck. This doesn't suck. Now this is Mayhew Pro 29910 and made in France, by the way. Ooh la la, française. So if you've ever used a stud extractor, it works on the same principle. You've got balls in there that tighten on the inner tie rod. Now we all know how you get these out. You know, you stick a tool on there and you try to get it to turn loose, but they're Loctited in, so they can be a little bit of a bear. So all you do is you put it on the tool, you turn it until it grips, and then you go to this end, you put a socket on it, and it comes out. Works really well. I'm really impressed with this tool. It makes short work of this. There's no adapters. You just stick it in there, pop it loose. Takes all of 5 seconds. I mean, there's a couple little things I don't like about it. Typical with like stud extractors, you have to keep a little tension on it. Otherwise the balls will release, and then you got to, retension it and all that. But other than that, this thing is the bomb for inner tie rod end tools. My go-to tool is the Snap-on PZ pipe wrench. As long as I can get to it. I have a, cheap inner tie rod end that, sucks. But this is now my go-to. So when we're doing inner tie rod ends, stick it on there, pull it out. Simple, easy. It is a little big, so in some cases that may be an issue, but I haven't found one yet that it doesn't work well with. But this is the bomb as far as doing these pieces of junk. In case you can't tell, it was really loose. So, you're doing a lot of suspension work, inner tie rod ends, get you one of these. It is the, whatever the kids say, being awesome. It is awesome. If I can find one on Amazon, I will put one in the store, but it is the best inner tie rod end tool I've ever used. And that includes my PZ pliers, because this works better because you don't have to worry about trying to get in there with those pliers. So get you one of these. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.